rationalizing the denominator. To rationalize the denominator of this, since the bottom is a binomial, that means we have to multiply by the conjugate. And what's the conjugate? The conjugate is the same thing as this, except the sign in the middle has to be the opposite, so that's negative. And whatever we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top, so we have to multiply this also by the conjugate. Now, in here, we just have to FOIL this. So root 3 times root 3, that's going to be root 9. But you know square root of 9 is 3. Or also when you multiply a root by itself, you just get rid of the root and you get that number. Also we have to multiply the root 3 into the negative 1, so that's going to be minus root 3. And we do the same thing with the negative 1 here, multiply it into here and into there. So negative 1 times root 3 is going to be negative root 3 again. And negative 1 times negative 1, just plus 1. And here we have to do the same thing again. But because this is the conjugate of this, you don't have to do all the FOILing. You can just go root 3 times root 3, and that will give you 3. And then you go positive 1 times negative 1, that will give you minus 1 on the bottom. Now if you FOIL this, when you multiply this into here, you're going to get negative root 3, and when you multiply the 1 into root 3, you're going to get positive root 3. So negative root 3 and positive root 3, they're going to cancel each other out, and that's why you could take the shortcut when the sign here and here are different. Now we simplify the top. We have 3 plus 1, that's 4. And negative root 3 minus root 3, that's going to give me negative 2 root 3. And on the bottom, 3 minus 1 is 2. Now, you could reduce this 2 with this 4, and you're going to get 2 here. And you'd reduce it with this 2, and you're going to get 1 there and 1 there. So the final answer is going to be 2 minus 1 root 3, or just root 3. And that's your final answer. Thanks for watching. See you next time.